What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 BMW 330. This is how you replace the remote battery.
So replacing the battery is pretty simple with the BMW key fob. First thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of it. On the left side we have a button right here that we're going to push, and then we can pull out the emergency key. Now if we turn it over, get a small flathead screwdriver. If you notice that there's a little slot right here just for a screwdriver that we're going to use to pop open this back case when it exposes the battery right here. And we can just pry it out with our screwdriver, get a new battery, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Here's our battery. It's a CR2032. Notice the positive sign. It will be facing out when we stick it in this remote. We just stick it in here just like we took it out. It pops and clicks in there. If you need a battery, I'll leave a link down below. It takes you to Amazon where you get a battery for like $1, so check that out. And we just get our back panel here. The top goes in first, then we just click it, snap it all back together. And if the emergency key goes back in nice and easy, the job's done. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.